Hi guys, welcome back. This is gonna be a video summary on how to set up the ICT Fibonacci Retracement according to ICT and the ICT Mentorship 2022. ICT mentions the Fibonacci retracement in the OTE Primer series in episode 8 and, for example, in episode 12 of the Mentorship 2022. Here you're gonna find the settings from the Mentorship 2022, specifically from episode 12. Now, let me just give you an overview of why we are using the ICT Fibonacci settings. Let's imagine that we are looking at the price and at the range from this day only. We would ask ourselves, how do we know where the price will go? If we look at this day only, it's very hard to understand what is our target. In this case, the price is not trading maybe into something specific, like it's not going for a fair value gap or for an imbalance. And in that case, when we do not have a target, we also don't have a precise range and we would not know right away where to take our profits. That happens as well when the price has an expansive nature or it makes an expansive move. Now, ICT tells us that if we do not know where to take our take profit, first and foremost, if we would actually went into a higher time frame, we would find something and we would know which level we should be targeting. But there is another way, which is indeed to use the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci retracement will show us directly what price level to target. ICT has, of course, his own settings for the Fibonacci, and if you want to recreate the same settings, you can watch this video. You can check down also the free PDF in the description below and follow it step by step. So first things first, let's open TradingView, and you have here a link in the description below, and open a chart, such as, for example, I'm a forex trader and I trade currency pairs, so let's say that we are going to open Euro USD. Click on the See More on Advanced Chart. Now, once you see all the price movements, you can go on your left, you're going to see a series of symbols, and you're going to select the third one. Here it is circled in red. When you click on it, a menu opens. And the first thing that you will see written is going to be Fibonacci retracement or Fib retracement. Click on it. And now you're going to go on your chart with your mouse. Click anywhere inside your chart and then go a little bit higher with the mouse and click again. And you should see something similar to what I'm showing you here. That's your Fibonacci retracement. Now, click on the dotted line. I have highlighted it here in red so that you know what I'm talking about. It's the only line that is not horizontal. When you do so, a menu appears and you should be clicking on Settings. You will see at this point a window opening, and in the top menu, select Style, scroll down on the levels and choose here Values. Now set up the following coordinates. We have 0, 1, minus 0.5, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 0.5, minus 2.5, and minus 3. You can choose any colors that you like. The only thing that I would advise you is choose red for the minus 0.5, and you will see later why. Now guys, pause the video if you need to and just go through it. When you finish setting it up, click OK, and the Fibonacci retracement that you just got on your graph should look similar to this one here. So the first line on the bottom is going to be the lower end of our rising range. The second horizontal line will be the higher end of our rising range. Then we have minus 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, and all of those can be your take profits. ICT though, in the ICT Mentorship 2022, uses as his main take profit minus 1.5. And so that would be his target. Guys, this is just an example of what ICT is doing. You can set up your take profit anywhere where you prefer, depending also where you have entered the trade. We all trade at our own risk, right? And so remember to manage yours. Now guys, this was the case that you can see if we were searching for a take profit for a target, and that day for that specific trade, we were bullish. So we were expecting for the price to go up. If instead, one specific day, we are bearish and we are still searching for our take profit, we are going to have as the first line, so number 1, when we start with our Fibonacci retracement, the higher end of the declining range, and on the second line we would have the lower end of our declining range. Just to give you now a comparison between the two, if we are bearish, on our left side we're going to see a Fibonacci retracement that looks something like this. And if we are bullish, we're going to see a Fibonacci retracement and we're going to draw our own Fibonacci retracement that looks like what we have here on the right side. Guys, the Fibonacci retracement tool is extremely useful, but remember, it's always good to go and check and double check also on higher time frames, such as the 1-day time frame, and to set up there also our possible take profit. And then the Fibonacci acts as a further confirmation, and that's super cool. To access the PDF and many more resources, all for free, check out the link in the description below. David Goggins said, "If you can get through doing things that you actually hate doing, on the other side, there is greatness." So guys, keep going. This is the way.